Hello guys, mko aje? Hope mko fiti. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, I want you guys to walk with me where this safari. Hii jani si rahisi, imagine. So welcome to another cooking vlog. Leo tunapika nyama mixed with mrenda. Mrenda inakuanga a mixture of kude and terere. Yes. First, before you start frying your mrenda, you make sure you boil it, buy it, remove it from the sticks, and then cut it into small pieces and then boil it with your magadi. Magadi is optional. Yes. So then there I'm frying my onions and the tomatoes. My mrenda is ready. My meat is there ready. Unaeka tu, si lazima deep fry meat. Unaeka tu hivyo venye imekuwa boiled hadi tu kwa tomato yako. Ukatie roiko cube yako ama hadi uko na powder roiko uweke. Yes, to your taste. Yes, cook it to your taste, just like that. Me, that is how I fried mine, I cooked mine. By the way, kama hujawahi jaribu hiyo cooking recipe, hebu jaribu. Hivyo tu one tu venye nimetengeneza yangu, iko sawa, tengeneze yako. Uniambie kwa comment section. So, kwa hii recipe, nilitengeneza, I served it with the rice. Sasa ndio hiyo mchele. Yes, mchele ndio hiyo. I served it with the rice. It was really nice. The taste of the meat together with the vegetables in it. It was really, really nice. Yeah, that is what I cooked for my family. So you can also try out your way of cooking. You know, we are different in the kitchen. There are different people in the kitchen, and also we are different. There are different ways we cook our food. Yeah, so you can try it out, that recipe, and come back if it tastes. Most especially you can serve it with ugali. That is how it is most especially eaten. But I decided to try mine with the rice, and also it came out nicely. And pia wewe unaweza jaribu. Hizi recipe ni za kujaribu. Nobody is perfect. So we can try. Yeah, as long as you don't over put the spices. Check on my mrenda, there is cooked. Very nice, very green, and very tasty. So yeah, so if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, by the way, what are you still waiting for? Kindly go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, please. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Most especially you guys watch my videos and you don't like my videos. I don't know why, but please, if you come across my video, kindly consider subscribing. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Yeah, all those things matter, imagine. So that next time nikipost video yoyote utakuwa wa kwanza kuona hiyo video. Imagine ukuwe wa kwanza, like mtu video imepostiwa tu, ukuwe wa kwanza kuwatch hiyo video. Nakuanga so grateful. Like venye mimi nafanyanga, kama nimependea mtu sana sana, my favorite YouTubers, mimi niliwa subscribe and then nika turn on the notification bell. Yes, and then any video akiposti tu hivi pap, nikichelewa sana nakuanga number 2 ama number 3. Hivyo tu, nikichelewa sana, lakini kama tu imeingia hivi kling, ni click nakuanga number 1. Imagine, it's so good. Like I feel so good to watch someone's video, to be number 1, to watch someone's video, and then also comment. And then when you comment, the creator, the one of the content will just respond to your comment so fast. Like it feels so good. That is how I feel like. I don't know how someone outside there feels, but for me that is how I feel. I feel so good. I feel so good when somebody responds response to my comment. I feel so good, I feel so great. But anyways, kindly subscribe to my channel in case you haven't yet. To those my 5 viewers, yes, you guys mean a lot to me. We have come a long way from day of one subscriber. I started with 1 subscriber, that was myself. I subscribed on another phone, yes, and also that person subscribed. I was the number 1 subscriber, and also plus my friend. So it has been such a big milestone from 1 subscriber to where we are now. It means really a lot to me. You guys are the best, and I can't stop appreciating you guys. So let's walk together this journey. Yeah, I'll take you through all the process of my journey. Nitawapeleka nyinyi wote all the process mpaka siku yenye tutafikisha either 100k subscribers. By the way, on the road to 5k subscribers, to 5k ama to 10k. Imagine, washa tuseme on the road to 5k subscribers. Yes, kindly support your girl. Tell your friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell your enemy to tell your great enemy to subscribe to the channel. Yes, no matter what. Like I said first, hii channel ni ya watu wenye wanaanza kujifunza kupika. Kama hujui kukata kitunguu, kama hujui kufanya nini, kukata nyanya, subscribe kwa hii channel, mimi nitakufunza. Hii channel na postingi videos different. Na postingi ya motherhood, na postingi za techniques like how to use a smart TV, how to do all those things. Na postingi za kupika, like video yoyote tu yenye nakujanga kwa akili yangu, najipata nimekaa chini nimerekodi hiyo video and then nawekea kwa YouTube. Imagine kila kitu mi ushare kwa hii channel to you all my viewers. Imagine muni appreciate to you all my viewers. Muni appreciate to imagine subscribing. It's not that costly. It will take you like 0 seconds to subscribe. So anyways, I wish you all the best. I wish you a blessed evening. So there we go. Our stew is ready and it's smelling nice. Beautiful aroma, nice aroma of meat and the vegetables in one pot. My friend, if you are to add ugali in this food, in this stew, it was going to be very slappy. But let me tell you, we enjoyed it. It was very nice. And kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment.